Good evening, ma'am. I'm going to explain the experiment 3. So, let's see. It's not yet created. Yeah, yeah. First, we can see the uh, algorithm, right? So we can understand what's the program is about. Yeah. First, we have to initialize the XOR gate and we have to decide the output for the XOR gate. The step 2 is about the initialization and output for XOR gate, right? Then we have to initialize the weight for the two-layer multi-layer perceptron with two hidden neurons and one output neurons. This step uh, tells about two-layer with two hidden neurons. This is the two hidden neurons and one output neuron, right? So we have to adjust the output by using the XOR patterns. So we can come into the program for Python. Here we can see we are importing the necessary libraries and we are creating a matrix. Uh, we are setting the layer for input layer as 2 x1 x2 and hidden layer as x3 x4 x5 and output layer x6, right? So we are using the random function to implement the random numbers using the random function. And np dot zeros implies that the matrix contains full of zeros, right? The square matrix contains full of zeros. That means the np dot zeros. Np is the numpy function. So it can be sigmoid function in the sense the activation function. In this question, it is taken as sigmoid function. So we are declaring the formula as 1 divided by 1 plus exponential of minus whatever the input layer is defined as x, right? So sigmoid derivative is x into 1 minus x. This is the formula, nothing to worry about. And after doing the model mechanism, after doing the model mechanism, here we can know that for epochs and range, we are setting the range for epochs like 10,000, right? 10,000 and np dot matrix dot product. Uh, the square matrix can be multiplied with another square matrix, that is called dot product. And here we are implementing the sigmoid function, right? Sigmoid function of hidden input. Sigmoid function hidden input. Hidden input in the sense we are getting the calculated input value, right? So we can use it. We are using the x value as here we are using the x as this hidden input. So after the loop keeps running on, right, the hidden input will be settled onto the this x. This is what the hidden input does, kind of that. So output layer is nothing that another is nothing but output layer is different from input layer. O's or something OK into 1 minus OK into sigma of error k, something like that, right? So after we are doing such kind of things, we are plotting using matplotlib, plot title x level y level grid show. Okay, here we can see that it is converging from top to bottom, right? So here we can implement the XOR classification using Python. Yeah, here we can see advanced applications of multi-layer perceptron, pattern recognition, handwriting recognition, speech recognition, and face recognition. Right? Here we can use the multi-layer perceptron. In day-to-day life, we are using like this, and in spam mail filtering, medical diagnosis, etc. Thank you, ma'am.